You've just been in a crash, you're hurting, your car is wrecked, and your phone rings. It's a friendly insurance adjuster offering to cut you a check right now and take care of everything. But beware, that phone call is a recorded trap designed to destroy your case before it even starts. I'm Rick Fletcher, a Florida trial attorney. I spend my life in the courtroom. I know exactly how insurance companies use your own words, your medical history, and Florida's evidence code to pay you pennies on the dollar. In this video, I'm going to expose their top 3 dirty tricks, tactics I see every day, and give you the exact legal responses you need to shut them down and maximize your settlement. Welcome back to the channel. Insurance adjusting is a game of poker, but here's the catch. They can see your cards and you're playing blindfolded. As a criminal defense attorney, I look for every piece of evidence through the lens of a trial. How will this look to a jury? How can a prosecutor, or in this case, a defense lawyer, twist this? Insurance adjusters are trained to gather evidence to use against you. They aren't good neighbors and you aren't in good hands. They are businesses protecting their bottom line. So let's break down their playbook. The first trick is the just for our records recorded statement. The adjuster calls you within 24 hours. They sound concerned. I hope you're okay. Hey, I just need a quick recorded statement so we can establish liability and get your car fixed. It's just standard procedure. They are fishing for 2 things. Number 1, minimization. They want you to say, I'm fine, or I'm not in that much pain. And number 2, inconsistency. They want to lock you into a story before you have all the facts. Here is why this is deadly. Under Florida Statute 90.803, subsection 18, this is called an admission by a party opponent. Normally, hearsay or out-of-court statements is not allowed in court, but there is a massive exception for your statements when used against you. If you tell the adjuster, I looked down for a second, or my neck doesn't hurt too bad, that recording is admissible evidence at trial. Furthermore, under Florida Statute 90.608, they can use that recording to impeach you. If you get to trial 2 years later and testify, my neck hurt immediately, they will play that tape where you said, I'm fine to the jury. It makes you look like a liar and it kills your case. Now, how do you protect yourself? The answer is simple. No, you have no legal obligation to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Say this, I am not comfortable giving a recorded statement at this time. I will provide a written statement after I have consulted with my attorney, and then hang up the phone. Trick number 2, the quick cash lowball offer. A few days after the crash, the adjuster calls. Look, we accept full responsibility. We want to send you a check for $1,500 for your inconvenience, plus we'll pay your ER bill. We just need you to sign this release. Why is this a trap? They are weaponizing the 14-day rule and your financial stress against you. Under Florida Statute 627.736, you must seek medical treatment within 14 days to qualify for your full $10,000 in PIP benefits. They know you are stressed about bills, but here is the danger. In Florida, once you sign a release of all claims, your case is over forever. If a week later your doctor finds a herniated disc that requires surgery, you cannot go back for more money. You settled for $1,500 and that surgery costs $50,000, you are on the hook. Also, don't worry about rejecting an offer. Under Florida Statute 90.408, evidence of an offer to compromise a claim is inadmissible to prove liability or value. This means if you reject their $1,500 offer and go to trial, they cannot show the jury that offer to make you look greedy. Negotiations are protected. So how do you protect yourself? Never accept an offer until you have reached maximum medical improvement. This is the point where the doctor says you are as healthy as you're going to get. Only then do we know what your case is actually worth. Trick number 3, the standard medical authorization. The adjuster sends you a packet of forms. Just sign these so we can pay your medical bills. Buried in there is a document called a HIPAA release or a medical authorization. Why is this a trap? Read the fine print. These standard authorizations often allow them to request all your medical records from birth to today. They aren't looking for your car accident injuries. They are digging for pre-existing conditions. Do you complain of back pain to your family doctor 10 years ago? Did you have a sports injury in high school? If they find anything, they will argue that your current pain isn't from the crash, it's from that old injury. They will deny your claim or offer you pennies. If you sign that form, you are handing them the ammo to shoot down your own case. How do you protect yourself? Do not sign their blanket authorization. As your attorney, I provide a limited medical authorization. It permits them to see records only from the date of the accident forward, and only regarding the body parts injured in the crash. They don't need to know about your flu shot from 2015 to pay for your broken arm today. Now, before we close, I have to mention one bonus mistake. Adjusters are trained to stalk you on social media. If you claim you have a debilitating back injury, but you post a picture of yourself jet skiing or even just smiling at a birthday party this weekend, they will print that photo and blow it up on a poster board for the jury. If you're in an injury claim, set your profiles to private and stop posting. Period. Insurance companies have billions of dollars and armies of lawyers. You cannot fight them alone, and you shouldn't try to navigate these rules of evidence without a professional. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps me educate more people about their rights. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next breakdown of Florida law. And if you've been injured in an accident in Florida, do not talk to the adjuster. Call my office first. We will handle the calls, we will handle the evidence, and we will fight to get you every penny you deserve. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and always watch what you say.